factory reset Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to factory reset Windows 11. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, click on the Start menu at bottom left corner of the screen. Now you simply need to navigate to Settings. On the Settings section, you need to navigate to System. Click on it on the side toolbar. Now scroll down and locate Recovery option. Click on it. You will reach on the section where you have to locate Reset the speech tree under Recovery options. Click on the button next to it. Now here you need to choose between Keep My Files or Remove Everything. If you click Keep My Files, you will remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. But if you click on Remove Everything button, it removes all of your personal files, apps and settings. So let's click on Keep My Files. After that, you need to choose the cloud download, or you can also choose local reinstall. And if prompted, you can select the cloud download option to download the latest Windows version for reinstallation, and then click on the next button. Follow on your screen prompts to proceed with the reset, and your PC will restart and reset to its factory settings. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.